on the part of the organizers of the New England Ghana Festival, Ebekoso America, no ma confirm say Krobia Sante Kotoko, Ukuma Pema Pembe by Samuto, Yemfan Kuchalutu, the club of the century, our Ghana ha Africa has say, omone US based club a friend of Hartford Athletic, Ebe Pem so date of the match, omode ababonte na date, ironically or coincidentally, the opening day of the Ghana Premier League, air clash. So it means to say if the particular game is going to come on as the organizers, I will confirm date now. Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Karela in the opening day of the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 Side game ebe postponed because dates are mpanyifo edeba abonten from the organizers of the Ghana festival HSA cease almost say almost 2 days and a hosti side from 6th to 8th and a Ghana Premier League also. And Rich Festus never abontin and our dates never abontin. Match day 1 it is supposed to start from Friday 6 to 7th 8th, which is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What I say now, organizers of this particular New England Ghana Festival idea almost say for exchange cultural values and others. Na no mo de aye idea ede inkabom unification among the various territories among the world. And one adititiri a omoye na omohwa football ade kanifa boom enti Kotoko ne Hartford Athletic for no emfa empem so between 6 to 8 tournaments baso. But unfortunately Kotoko was game between that space enti sa game we US game we beba so I was say Kotoko postponing the first Premier League game. Even though say Kotoko embe confirm just like Coast City Cup organizers Babontin ebe ka say Kotoko ka ho Coast City Cup omu date I was say echina 1st August ne shase ene me koma so ye mente hwe but eno de for now Kotoko ye out tournament me nye sure say ebetimi about so far omu clubs in Nigeria ho na no ma confirm say they are participating. Well,